Hey there, this is Sam from AI Powerkits. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you the step-by-step guide to use our Lovable Powerkits extension. Okay, so you have to follow the steps to use this extension properly. Okay, you can see here in this account, I am creating a full featured application, okay, with the extension. And here in this account, we have only 5 credits, okay, which is actually uh, given from the Lovable free account. As you can see here, this account is completely free, but I'm using it with the extension, and I built the entire application, okay, from this extension. Okay, you can send prompt, you can do everything you need inside your Lovable. Okay, so what you need to learn, okay, what you need to know about the extension. Okay, so first of all, when you send prompt, okay, sometimes some user actually claim that when this start to send prompt, this just appear a dialog here and asking them to upgrade their Lovable account. Okay, so basically when you send prompt, you have to at least 1 credit inside your Lovable account. Okay, this is mandatory, and it's not the limitation of the extension, but it's requirement from Lovable itself. Okay, so for example, you can see this account has 5 free credits, which is totally fine, and as long as I am using this extension to send credit, those 5 credit is free and it will keep as it is. Okay, so this is mandatory to have at least 1 credit to send prompt. This is the first requirement, okay, to use this extension. And then one more thing you need to confirm. Sometimes some users claim that when they send prompt, it's not works. Okay, it may give the error, and sometimes it's just reduce the credit. Okay, so what you need to confirm to do this, you can see here into the extension there is a synced ID. Okay, this is the project ID. So when you activate the extension inside your Lovable account like this, okay, just open the panel here. So you need to reload the tab, okay, like this. You can just simply reload the tab, okay, and it will automatically sync. And before send the prompt from the extension, make sure that you see this green check mark and the word synced. Okay, so this is very important, otherwise you don't able to send prompt, and even you send prompt, okay, sometimes it will just cost your credit. So to make sure you just synced your project properly with the extension, and it will be fine. Okay, so these 2 things very important for all of the users. Okay, so this is the mandatory things you need to confirm. Okay, first of all, you need to have at least 1 credit to send prompt, and then to make your credit freeze, okay, the extension work properly, you just need to sync the extension and the project. Okay, so and also you can just copy paste the prompt if you want. Okay, so that's it for this video. So if you have any other question, then just go to our Discord server and open a support ticket. We will help you. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Have a nice day.